Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that brings a delightful blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. The reusable film camera 35 reloadable waterproof film camera. This isn't just another gadget. It's a charming little device designed to capture your memories with a unique, vintage flair, and it comes packed with some surprisingly robust features. First off, let's talk about personality. This film camera isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. It boasts an impressive 18 different styles, each with its own distinct character. So, whether someone prefers something bold and vibrant or subtle and classic, there's likely a design that perfectly matches their aesthetic. This variety alone makes it stand out, allowing users to pick a camera that truly feels like an extension of their own style. One of the most exciting aspects of this camera is its waterproof capability. Each unit comes equipped with a dedicated waterproof housing, offering a respectable 5 meters of water resistance. This means it's ready for those poolside splashes, beach days, or even a quick dip to capture some underwater fun. While it's not designed for prolonged deep-sea adventures, it's absolutely perfect for those moments when a regular camera would be at risk. Imagine snapping candid shots of friends playing in the waves or capturing the vibrant colors of a shallow reef, all without a worry. Underneath its retro exterior lies a capable 28mm lens. This fixed-focus lens is particularly excellent for capturing people and still life, delivering that classic film look that digital cameras often struggle to replicate. The beauty of a film camera, especially one with fixed focus, is its simplicity and the unique aesthetic it imparts. It doesn't require any batteries, which is a huge plus for spontaneity. Users simply toggle a lever, and they're ready to capture beautiful, authentic photos. This mechanical simplicity is part of its charm, making photography feel more intentional and less about endless settings. Despite its playful, almost toy-like appearance, this camera is surprisingly robust in its purpose. It's designed to be reusable, allowing users to reload it with their favorite 35mm film. This makes it an ideal companion for travels, whether someone is documenting a breathtaking sunset, the bustling energy of a city street, or intimate moments with friends and family. The images recorded by these vintage-style film cameras truly become cherished memories, imbued with a warmth and character that digital often misses. However, it's important to set expectations, especially regarding lighting. This waterproof camera does not feature a flash. Therefore, it performs best in outdoor sunlight, where it can truly shine and produce those stunning, vintage-inspired photos. When attempting to shoot in low-light conditions, users might find that photos are either lost, underexposed, or even completely blank. It's a camera that encourages users to embrace natural light and the unique challenges and rewards that come with film photography. Its lightweight, focus-free, and easy-to-use design makes it accessible for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of film without the complexity of professional gear. It's about capturing the moment, simply and beautifully.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.